Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to fall season, Halloween, spooky. Today we're going to be coloring my hair, yay! We are going to be using Pulp Riot, and we're going to be doing black and orange, yay! So what I'm going to be doing is mostly all orange, but I want to do like a strip on the side and then a strip in my bangs black. So that's what we're going to do. Now I gotta decide what pieces I want black and what I want not black. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that piece right there, black in the bangs. So let's clip her off. So then we're gonna have a little piece right here of orange. Okay, let's do the black first. I got some foil. Oh, I forgot to put my single glove on. Every single time I color my hair, I don't have gloves. I have one glove. Oh, and I just made a hole in it. Not sure what this color will look like on my natural hair, but we will see.
They all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then it's empty again.
One of the things I love about this color line is it smells so stinking good. Good job on the smell factor, Pulp Riot. Oh, I forgot to tell you what colors I'm using, I think I forgot. I should make that line way better. I am using Nair for the black from Pulp Riot and Nuclear Orange for the orange. I was gonna just do all orange and then I'm like, I need black. So then I was like, okay, black. I'm gonna be a pumpkin. A jack-o'-lantern.
Up before I go, cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it, I'm typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody.
Gloves are pointless. Okay, they're not, but they're annoying.
When I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go.
Black complete. Okay, I'm gonna do this orange piece in between and then I'm gonna get a better foil job.
Where did this let it go? Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody.
I'm squishing it down a bunch so I can see what I'm doing with the rest of my hair. Okay, now onto the orange. I'm gonna start from the bottom, work my way up so that I get the least amount of orange on my other parts. This.
And I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel the grave, and yeah, I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave, and yeah, I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. To breathe when you're dead. They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but
a moment of silence for this amazing hair color. I love it, I love it, I love it! Oh, also look at my cool makeup. Look at it's freaking bats. I love Halloween. Ah! We love it. We love it. We love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I got the hair in my lash. So this is what it turned out. The little section in between the black is very small, but I still like how it's turned out. Ah, I love it. And then you could go with something cute like this. Oh yeah, so cute. We love it. The orange is a lot darker than I thought. Like deeper, if that makes sense. This is what my new growth looks like. It is quite still brown, but like a warm tone. And then the black new growth. Oh, that's not black. Beautiful! She is beauty, she is great! Oh! Yes, yes, yes. We like it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you do something sweet for your... something sweet to your hair for fall or Halloween. I don't know why, but my eyes look so piercing with this makeup and hair. Is that just me, or do they look like... what the... Yes! Okay, sorry. Got distracted. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye! Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern out. Bye-bye.